Burning an ISO can be sometimes daunting. The last 10 years I've always used Mintstick, right? So when you are on Kiro, you have this application already installed, and USB is what I remember. There is two things you can do to a USB. You can format it with FAT32, which means you can interact with Windows and Linux and Mac and everybody can read it. Or you can say make a bootable USB stick, which is basically what this video is about. There is a DD function somewhere in Linux, right? Everybody has it. And then burn it. But this is my go-to tool. There are more, right? But last 10 years really without fault. Everything just works. Pop in the ISO. You downloaded something somewhere, anything ISO, of course. Pop it in there, select it, and then pop in your USB stick. Sometimes it matters, but with 8 GB, probably you'll have enough for an ISO. So the size matters of the USB stick, and it's just clicking then to write. Never done verify, but you can do that as well later on after writing, of course. So USB Image Writer, a great thing from the guys from Linux Mint. Awesome for the last 10 years. Why wouldn't it be awesome for the next 10, right? Use it. Cheers.